Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find the statement information of a particular property that you are interested in on the domain application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the property that you are interested in and scroll down until you find the statement of information section and tap on the view statement of information button, and here you will be directed to this site where you can check out the statement information. You can download it if you want to and print it out, so here you can see it in 2 pages. Tap on the button done at the top if you are done with it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.